right? Now, obviously, because I'm such a huge beggar, during this short break where I pee, please flood me with contributions. So when I come back, I can update the leaderboard. And then I won't have to mention contributions all day because I'll be insanely flooded with your generosity, right?
DSP Cries it. Hello, and welcome to James Less Express Lane, where we get you in and out as fast as possible with DSP goes caveman on his computer. Again. Mind you, this is how he makes his money. And according to him, he doesn't have the money to buy a new one. If something happens to this one, he is boned. If something happens to this one, he cannot make money. Guys, my laptop can't stream. It's not powerful enough. What about the mini PC? It's not powerful enough. What about nothing is powerful enough, guys. So your laptop that's running Windows 10 is less powerful than your PC that's running Windows 8? Just saying. And also, how many of you go, my computer's making noise. I better go WWE on it, body slam it, and elbow off the top rope on it. I don't know about you. My computer's my baby. I ain't ever hitting her. She's too pretty for that.
Unaware. I'm telling the truth. I only deal with numbers. If you need any more info on your friend, try the warehouse office. It's on the west side of the mill.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Do not move until I return.
He won't shut up.
No problem.
Why are you talking to your computer like that? I am just waiting for one of these days for him to yell shit up at his computer, hit it, a neighbor to hear that and be like, holy shit, he's beating his wife, and call the cops. Guys, I was swatted. You were not swatted. Someone heard you beating your wife and called the cops. Didn't realize you were beating your computer.
If anyone finds me cuffed up here, I will look as tough as the others.
So basically it shuts up if I hold it. Look, if I hold it like that. What a pain. What a pain of a fan. It is so loud at this point. It's pissing me off, man.
Mind you, I don't know about you, but I can't hear his fan. How is his fan that loud?
Shut up. It stops for like a second and then it starts again.
Better hit it again.
The only way to do is be opening it, I guess, which I don't want to do. It's the only way to figure out what's causing it.
Open your computer, clean it. Ha 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 ha! That's a good one.
Fucking loud ass fan. How if I hold it, it doesn't make the noise? I hold it like that.
It was all during the middle of his gameplay.
Oh my god. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. I'm seriously about to open my PC and look at
You're not about to open it, jackass. But you want to bet that fan is full of dust, thus making a lot of noise. Exactly. This lasted for about 10 minutes. It was mostly dead air, so I didn't clip it all. Afterwards, he said, now my hands are dirty. Your PC is so gross and nasty that punching it makes your hands dirty. DSP, touching your computer makes your hand dirty. You need to clean your computer. What the Grug have problem. Magic box of Grug stopped working. Grug hit for a bit. Magic box no come back to life. Grug now appealed the generous nature of audience for by Grug new magic box. Sound good? Ow, that hurt. That's bunnies. I hope we weren't burned and blaming it on fans of detractors. $20 for a couple new fans, cleaning the years of accumulated dust. Cat hair and fill excrement would solve all that. Maybe. I'll think about it for a second. Fans help cool off your computer. But if you want to cool off really fast, what else makes sense other than water? Give it a try. he was strong enough he could eat it and simultaneously smash his TV. But he's not strong enough, thankfully. Grown adult yelling at his inanimate object to stop it and shut up. Imagine how he treats his family. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the guys. I was swatted by the cops, guys. The cops, they swatted me. Really? What would actually happen? The neighbors heard me yelling, shut up, while beating on something they thought was my wife. So you weren't swatted. They had legit reason. No, it wasn't legit, guys. I was beating on my computer, not my wife. Well, your neighbors didn't know that. And they weren't close enough to you, even though you've been living there for years. You'd be like, hey, what's wrong, buddy? What's going on? Pretty sure your wife's supposed to be at work right now, is she? But yeah, I heard you yelling at someone to shut up and beating. I was like, oh no, it was my computer. Snort. Tip me. Nope, not DSP. Doesn't know his neighbors at all. That's all I'm gonna let you go. Thank you for watching. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have one hell of a day.